now, let's talk about kung paano po magagamit ang ating Easy Shop online platform. So, pag open po ng DTC or yung Data Tracking Center, you're going to see that there is a red, on your right corner, meron pong red background, log in to Easy Shop. So, pag tinig niyo po yan, may lalabas po na second tab or browser. So, make sure to put your address, your email address, your updated email address here para po makasubscribe po kayo at makareceive po kayo ng mga updates tungkol sa Empowered Consumerism. So, ngayon po, let's say, for example, you're going to buy food supplement and ang food supplement na bibili natin ang timely, eh, syempre, para maboost ang inyong immune system is the C24/7. So, let's order. Ngayon po, nag-shopping cart po siya. Ngayon po, makikita na meron na po tayong isang binili na C24/7. So, just in case po, you'd like to buy more boxes, so you can put the quantity over here. So, for example, gusto po natin tatlong box. Submit. Now, it is been modified. So, ang existing po natin ngayon na 3 boxes. Unit price is 999, total price is 970. So, check out po tayo. So, make sure po na tama po ang address na ilalagay po natin. So, make sure na tama po ang address na ilalagay, updated po para po hindi po maging problema sa delivery. Ang good news for today, because if you ordered 2,000 and above, then your delivery charge will be 0. So, ngayon po, meron po tayo tinatawag na dalawang method of payment. So, now we will use the Easy Wallet membership income. Kung credit card naman po, pwede naman din po credit card. So, tama po ba? Let's check. 3 quantity. So, confirm order. So, now, you're going to choose it's either Visa or debit card kung ano po yung gagamitin ninyo. So, as of now, kung may credit card po kayo, pwede nyo gamitin. You can choose Visa or MasterCard. Kung debit card, pwede rin pong Visa and MasterCard. For security purposes, hindi po tayo makakapag-avail niyan. So, dito po, ang gagamitin natin ngayon is Easy Wallet. Yan, 0 payment. Ang gagamitin natin ay Easy Wallet. Confirm po yan. Okay, so sabi niya, insufficient Easy Wallet. Ano yung Easy Wallet? So, pag pumunta po tayo sa ating dashboard, babalik po tayo sa ating dashboard, may makikita po tayo sa right corner above login Easy Shop, meron po tayo makikita na Easy Wallet. So, ang available balance ko po is 495 as of now. So, pwedeng 0 yan pag hindi pa ko pwede mag-reload. So, ngayon, kailangan natin mag-reload. So, ang reload natin, ang process po ay pupunta po dito sa left corner, makita po sa option merong Easy Wallet. Pag pindot po ng Easy Wallet, makikita natin na pwede po tayong mag-reload. So, ang babayaran natin is almost 2,917. So, reload Easy Wallet. So, now, it's successful. So, meron na tayo 3,145 ngayon. So, pwede na po tayo mag-pay na. Confirm order. Pag-confirm order na po, that's it. Your order has been successful process. You can view your order history. Dito po yung order history para makita po na napili po natin yan. So, for delivery po. Ayan. So, ayan guys, na-discuss natin yung ating Easy Shop. So, ano yung process, ano yung steps. So guys, take note lang, May tayo tinatawag na purchase now, claim later. Nationwide po yan. So, ibig sabihin, pag yun ang pinili nyo, dahil sa quarantine period natin, after po ng quarantine period natin, you can get your products to your nearest branch. So, just take note of this na kung sino po yung bumili, siya yung makakakuha nung kailangan ID po, magdala po ng ID pag kinuha niya na yun sa branch natin. Kung sino po yung may account or kung sino yung buyer, siya po mismo yung kukuha. Second is, take note of the reference number, makikita nyo sa transaction history. And third, kapag na-claim nyo na po, itatag na po namin na release yan. So, ibig sabihin, documented po lahat yan. Also, I'd like to discuss na meron tayong free delivery charge pag 2,000 above ang inyong purchase. Take advantage of that promo. So, ngayon, there are two ways of payment method. That is, one is the Easy Wallet, two is the debit or credit card. So, guys, ginagawa pa ng paraan. We're still talking to a lot of people. The top management, lalo na si Doc Ed, ay continuously talking to people kasi maybe by the next day or so, magkakaroon na rin po tayo ng Dragon Pay na para magamit din po yung mga ibang platform para makapag bayad po tayo through our online business. Lastly, guys, I'd like you to take note na the top management ng Empower Consumerism ay working hard even we're in quarantine. Be positive. We're still thinking of a lot of ways kung paano mag-continue yung business natin. So guys, stay at home. Just pray. Listen to our government. Continue lang yung ating ginagawa through online. So again guys, like and share Easy Talks. Bye!